Hey girl, what's this?
Hey lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial using my tiny hand. So if you want to see how I got this radiant look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. First we're going to prime our eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Okay. Dab a little bit all over your eyelids. And now we're going to blend it in. Now using Sephora Pro Dome Crease Brush, we're going to blend in that primer. Blend it in all over the eyelid. Just as blended in as you can. And if needed, just shake your head. Now we're going to take the Sigma E60 and use the shadow Rolling in Dough to set our primer, which is a nice creamy white shade. And this will just help all the rest of the colors blend in seamlessly. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. And then turn your brush on the side. Okay. Prime your eyes. Now we're going to take the E40, oh Lord, it's falling. Come on, tiny hand. We're going to take the E40 brush with the eyeshadow So Bougie, because we're so bougie with our tiny hands. We're going to place this as our transition shade right above the crease. Keep swiping it back and forth, blending it in. Oh no. Until you lose your brush. Now we're going to take the E25 brush and the color Cocoa Truffle as our crease color. So we're going to put this right where our crease is. Nice and gently, so your tiny hand doesn't lose its grip. I'm going to also concentrate this in the outer V, right here, into the crease. Make sure you place it right below that transition shadow we just placed. Like so. Now we're going to go into the color Chocolate Gold with our Bodyography Flat Shader Brush. I'm going to place this gold color all over our eyelid. Make sure we don't go past that crease. And you're making it hard to see, tiny hands. Now you're going to take a makeup wipe and wipe off all the excess and fallout in the corner of your eye. If you need to, shake your head. Wiggle it. get all that fallout off. Come on, tiny hands. And while you're at it, do your tiny hands. Come on, tiny hands. Now keep these hands clean. Now you're going to take your favorite eyelash curler. Mine is a Tarte one. And you're going to crimp our eyelashes and curl them. You want to get the curler as close to your lash line as possible. And you're going to pump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to take the Stila Micro Tip Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black and try to do a wing. So we're going to take the eyeliner to the outer corner of the eye and we're going to flick it up like that to create a wing. And then we're going to bring it down back to the lash line like so. And now we're going to line the inner part of the eye, connect it with the wing. I'm going to fill that in. I think that's as good of a wing as I can get with these tiny hands. Now we're going to take the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Blacker and we're going to tightline our upper lash line and which will help make our lashes look fuller. So we're just going to take that pencil and we're going to tightline. Okay. Don't poke me, tiny hands. Please don't poke me. Now I'm taking Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara and now I'm going to apply mascara to my top lashes. Make sure you get it all in. Wiggle it from root to tip. Or in this case, wiggle your head. A lot easier than wiggling your tiny hands. And now we're going to do the other eye. Now we're going to take the Clinique Balm Lash Mascara and place it on our balm lashes. Like so. Don't forget to wiggle your head. I'm getting dizzy now. Alright, now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm on tiny hands. Work with me. Now we're going to take the Benefit Gimme Brow Fiber Brow Gel to fill in our eyebrow because I don't think these tiny hands have enough dexterity to help me fill in my eyebrow. So we're just going to take the gel. And the good thing about this gel is that it has microfibers in it. Hair fibers. Or hair-like particles. And it will make it seem like your eyebrows are fuller than they really are. So, I'm going to keep filling it in. Okay. Now we're going to take the Hourglass Vanish Foundation in the color Warm Ivory. And and just wipe it all over the face. Anywhere you need extra coverage. And now we're going to now we're going to blend our foundation with this Tarte foundation brush. Just blend, blend, blend. Thank you again. Man, they cut my tiny hand nails because they're scratching me. Oops. You know what? It's blended enough. So now we're going to take the NARS Seduction Blush and apply it to our cheekbone. And this blush is highly pigmented. It can go to our face very easily. So make sure you have a light tiny hand with it. But it gives you a nice, just in from the cold. Now I'm going to take the Fenty highlighter in Fire Crystal with the F03 brush and apply it to my cheekbone. It's my favorite part. To get that glow on. See how gorgeous that is? You know, really fly. Wash my hands. Now I'm going to reapply on the other cheek. Put a little bit more. I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose. Now my cheek spot. Now we're going to take the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Love Drunk and apply that to our lips. Get right up there in that Cupid's bow. I'm going to look at the... Now we're going to put transition shade. What was that? Now we're going to curl our eyelash. Ready? Dude, oh shit! I just got on my finger. Or is that hair?
Oh, I got it. I got the hair.
I am.
You got another one? Dude.